Now, number 7 was granddaddy damn near to them all. The Type 31 U-boat was Germany's World War I hunter killer, built by, I hope I don't butcher this, Germanienwerk, and built for the Kaiserlich Marine during World War I. They displaced 878 tons submerged with a length of 212 feet and a beam of 20 feet, powered by two 1,850 PS diesel engines producing 1,825 shaft horsepower and two 1,200 PS Doppelmodal electric motors producing 1,184 shaft horsepower. Propulsion included two shafts on two propellers with an impressive 8,700 nautical mile range and a surface speed of 16.4 knots and a submerged speed of 9.7 knots. Had a max depth of 164 feet, and she was armed with 4 50-centimeter torpedo tubes, 16 torpedoes, and 1 or 2 8.8 centimeter SKIL 45 deck guns. These subs were apex predators of their time, and they sunk many gross tons of Allied shipping, almost crippling the Allies permanently for World War I.